Today, we are traveling from Taichung to Sun Moon Lake, one of the most beautiful and iconic natural attractions in Taiwan. Surrounded by mountains and calm blue waters, Sun Moon Lake is famous for its scenic beauty, temples, indigenous culture, lake cruises, and breathtaking ropeway views. At Sun Moon Lake, you can enjoy a complete lake boat ride, visit lakeside temples, explore the Ita Thao indigenous village, and experience the famous Sun Moon Lake Ropeway, which offers stunning aerial views of the lake and surrounding forests. Reaching Sun Moon Lake from Taichung is very easy by public transport. From Taichung HSR Station or Taichung Railway Station, take the Nantu Bus, Taiwan Tourist Shuttle Route 6670. The journey takes around 1.5 to 2 hours and drops you near Shuishe Visitor Center, the main entry point to Sun Moon Lake. Once you arrive at Sun Moon Lake, you can buy a combined ticket that includes both the lake boat cruise and the ropeway cable car. This combo ticket is available at the pier counters and also online platforms like Klook, and it is the most convenient and value-for-money way to experience Sun Moon Lake. With one ticket, you can enjoy the full boat ride around the lake and the scenic ropeway ride without worrying about separate bookings. The standard itinerary usually starts at Shuishe Pier, where you board the boat for a relaxing cruise on the lake. The boat stops at Xuanguang Temple Pier, known for its peaceful atmosphere and beautiful lake views, and then continues to Ita Thao Pier, a lively area with local food, shopping, and the ropeway station. After exploring Ita Thao and having lunch, you take the Sun Moon Lake Ropeway, a cable car ride that offers panoramic views of the lake, mountains, and forests. After completing the ropeway experience, you can return to Shuishe Pier and enjoy a lakeside walk or visit nearby temples. Sun Moon Lake is not just a tourist spot, it is a place of peace, natural beauty, and cultural richness. The calm lake, scenic boat ride, aerial ropeway views, temples, and indigenous culture make it one of the must-visit destinations in Taiwan. Whether you love nature, photography, or relaxed travel, Sun Moon Lake offers an unforgettable experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this full journey to Sun Moon Lake till the very end. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel experiences. Let's explore the world together, one beautiful destination at a time.